Microwave is also a kind of waves that is transferred without wire. Okay, where we use it? It requires a microwave station like this, a big towers, because these microwaves are used for wide open areas. Okay, like deserts, lakes, and it needs, what is a microwave station? It is an earth based dish. You can see this tower that contains the antenna, contains many equipments that needs to transfer data through one station to another stations. Okay, these kinds of microwaves are used by astronautic activities, and wherever we need to transfer to big areas. Okay, uh, like to space, to communicate with space equipments, spatial equipments. In these places we use microwaves. Okay, that needs a microwave station, an earth-based dish that contains antenna and other equipments necessary for microwave communications. Okay, satellites uses microwaves to send the signals from space to Earth. Okay, so these kind of high level data transfer places, wherever high level transfer takes places, these microwave stations are built, and the microwaves takes the data from one tower to another tower. Okay, so this is what microwave is. And next, communication through satellite. Satellite is not a wave. It is not a kind of wave, but it is a station. It is a space station. Satellite is a space station. It is not a wave. Okay, it is just a space station that receives microwaves from Earth. On Earth, we will be having the antennas or dishes like this kept on Earth. From Earth, satellites receives the microwaves. Okay, it receives what is the work of satellite is strengthen to strengthen or increase the strength of those microwaves. It takes the microwaves from Earth and strengthens it, makes it strong. The satellite makes the microwave strong, and again it sends back to different antennas of microwaves or different microwave stations. Okay, satellites strengthens the signals and broadcast means sends back the signals back over a wide area to any number of earth based stations. Any earth based stations are nothing but these towers. Okay, so what is the work of satellite? To receive a microwave from the earth-based microwave stations, strengthen it, make it strong, and send back, and to broadcast back into different microwave stations on the earth, different earth-based stations. Okay, that is the work of satellites. So only we are able to uh, watch TV programs. Everything is because of satellites. Watch TV programs and radio broadcast, weather forecasting, we are able to do the video conferencing, and GPS means your position tracking. You use Google Maps, right, in your mobiles, and that is all of these things. Internet connection we are getting. All these things is happening only because of satellites. Because when we send microwaves, there are many satellites sent from the Earth. Around the Earth, there are many satellites revolving around, because this sent by different countries on the earth. So for their own purpose, the one may be for TV connections, for all the TV signals, one may be for weather forecasting, one we send for to see the different planets like Mars, like Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, all these things. Chandrayaan is sent to check the Earth, moons platform, and Mangalyaan is for Mars. So like that, what satellite does is it just helps to transfer microwaves from Earth to different stations. Okay, it keep on sending the, it keep on making the it keeps on receiving the microwaves from Earth and strengthens it and gives it back to different, it passes on, it broadcasts to different stations on the Earth. Okay, so that is, there are many satellites that is on the gravity of Earth, different, sent from different countries for different purpose. Okay, that is, this is what satellite communication is. This is, satellite is not a wave, it is a space station that receives microwaves from the Earth and sends back it to different stations, microwave stations, with a strong um, way. Okay, so that it reaches different wide area on the Earth. So this is what communication satellite. So these were different physical and wireless transmission media. Under physical, we saw different types of cables, like twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and under wireless, we saw infrared rays, broadcast radio, cellular radio, and Wi-Fi and microwave. Last, we saw about communication satellites. Okay, next topic is network architecture. How the computers can be, how the computers can be set, how the computers can be arranged. Okay, so for that we have a pair, two types, peer-to-peer network and client-server network. Let us see that in detail. First one is peer-to-peer network. In this, you can just think of our computer lab, where all the computers are connected to each other, and it is called peer-to-peer. Okay, more than one computers that uses same type of programs. Every computer will have same kind of programs, same kind of computers. Means like it is able to transfer the data in same way. Okay, that is called peer to peer. More than one computers that uses same type of programs to communicate and share data is called peer to peer. Each computer will be equal in terms of responsibilities, and nobody is boss in this, that whatever command I'm giving you, only that you need to follow. Though nothing like that in between. Peer to peer, all are friends. Okay, each acts as a server to other in the network. Each computer has its own data, it can give it. Okay, nobody is boss, themselves are their own bosses. Okay, it works best in a small environment. It works as we have a small computer lab, so peer-to-peer network arrangement works well there. And it used in small LANs. LANs is local area network. What is that? We have learnt already. So for small area LANs, where peer-to-peer network arrangements will be best. Here the main thing you need to see is all the computers or servers, and every computer has equal in terms of responsibilities, and all the computers will be of same type. Okay, same type, and it uses same type of programs to communicate or share data in between. So that is all our friends. Okay, next is client server. This is next type of architecture, network architecture. Here there will be two categories in this arrangement. Here you can see a boss will be there. Boss is nothing but server. Server will have all the data. Okay, all the other computers who are connected or who are taking the help of this boss are called as clients. These clients takes or shares the data